How stunning are these flowers? A field of colour. And quite often we can just walk past this. But we've got the pinks, there's the white over there, the yellow, a purpley colours here. And just snipping there. There's dark blue like an indigo and an orange. All these colours of nature, the natural growth, these wild flowers are absolutely stunning, and we often walk past them just accepting they're there without really recognising the vibrant colours that they give off. A sea of what some people might say weeds, but they're anything but. And the colours are just phenomenal when you see them up close. Nature has a rhythm, and it's the rhythm of nature, the rhythm of life that we can tune into. We can be in our element. We can live in our element, which means we're happy. We're one with ourselves, and that means we're one with universe and nature.